Alright, that's it. Welcome to week 8. This is the final week. We have spent a good 6 weeks learning about all the project management, how to be successful with technology project management for a data analytics project, and hopefully you've gained a lot from the course. Last week I wanted to spend a little bit of time on a couple of assignments, but also just giving you a little bit of ability to get your project in order. So this week, let's wrap it up. Let's finish the project, go through any last questions you might have, send those to me, let's work through it. There's no new assignments and no discussions or anything like that in week 8. What I really want you to do in the last couple of days that we have here is wrap this assignment up, turn it in, and then we have a final exam for you to take as well. So hope you've enjoyed the class. Let's get this finished strong here, get all this stuff turned in. And that'll be it for this course. So, thank you for your attention, and it's been a pleasure having this class with you.